the glut of alien invasion films in the 1950s. Of course, the classic invasion of the body snatchers, but also invasion of the Saucermen, invaders from Mars, killers from space, Earth versus the flying saucers, and more. And there's a couple of interesting elements to be brought out from these films. Not the least of which is a lot of them deal with aliens either taking control of humans' minds or of replacing them entirely with simulacra, with lookalikes. And given that these are coming out mid to late 50s, what other fears have we been talking about that kind of coincides with? Marissa?
Communism was spreading into the US government and everything.
Yeah, certainly communist infiltration. Yeah, Carolyn?
Brainwashing of Korean POWs.
Brainwashing, good. Right? This is very much playing on two simultaneous fears bubbling up in the 1950s. Not just that the communists are infiltrating, but that the communists are infiltrating through this kind of mind control ideas. And pairing that with this fear of extraterrestrial threat as well.